Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make transaction recurring in Rocket Money. If you want Rocket Money to automatically recognize a payment as a recurring like rent, a bill or a subscription, this video is for you. I will show you in very simple terms. First, open the Rocket Money app on your iPhone and log in. Once you are in the home screen, scroll down until you see your recent transaction. Find the transaction you want to make recurring like rent, a monthly bill or a regular payment. Now tap on the transaction to open the transaction details page. On the screen, look for an option that says mark as recurring or mark recurring. Tap on it. Next, Rocket Money will ask how often this payment happens. Choose the correct option: monthly, yearly or weekly, one or another schedule that fits the transaction. After that, confirm the detail. Make sure the amount and frequency look correct. Then tap save or confirm. Once you do this, Rocket Money will now treat the transaction or recurring. This means it will show up in the subscription or recurring bill section and be included in your budget planning. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.